check, or you can pay online. So if you go to irs.gov and you select pay, you can pay by credit card. Note, there is a fee if you pay by credit card, or you can pay directly from your bank account. There are no fees if you pay by their bank account. So select the bank account, and I want to pay personal taxes. So I say pay individual tax, make a payment, and generally you're going to do balance due and 1040. Select year 2024 if you're making a payment for your 2024 taxes. If you're paying estimates, you can pay estimates online as well. So you got your estimated tax, and this automatically populates to so year 1040 along with 2025. Now note, if you are making a payment to the IRS, and say you're going to do your 2024, they will ask for verification. For verification, if you haven't filed your tax return yet, pick 2023 if that's the last return you filed, and then they're going to match what you put in here to what was filed in your 2023 return. And that is the easy way to pay online.